This is the start of day 13, the 20th of January 2025. Waiting on a shuttle driver. He's going to take me back to mile 152 by the Paradise Café so I can start the trail, head north a little bit. Plan on doing 57 more miles. Get over Mount Sargento, however you say it, and I'm actually going to go back to Ohio, I think. Just these high winds and mainly the lack of water. And even this 57 miles was going to be kind of bad with no water. I'm carrying almost 5 liters of water, 4 3/4 liters of water. So, and that still won't be enough, so I'm hoping to find some more water in the 57 miles. It's about 7:58 on the 20th of January, and I'm to the trailhead where I left off, and I'll be walking that way behind my shoulders. I'll be walking that way. I've been wondering, what animal is so tough that they can take bites out of these cactuses? Something's been feeding on it for sure. It's too windy to talk. It's really windy, gusty, almost takes your breath away when a big gust of wind hits you. I don't know what body of water that is down there. I think that's where I'm going. I later found out the whole town of Idyllwild was without electricity. The power company shut it down because of high winds and threat of fire. The wind just sounds so terrible. That's the mountain. Looks like that's gonna be my campsite for tonight. That tree ain't in my way. Well, that's my tent set up for tonight. 165.8 mile. Up there's my trail. There's gonna be the view and the wind chill, and it's cold. I have to get in there and throw my stuff in so it don't blow away. I'm in my tent, mile 165.8. I walked 13.9 miles today. It's 32 degrees. I don't know what it'd be if the wind. I think it's gonna get down in the teens tonight. I got most of my water down here in the bottom of my sleeping bag. I got some I'm gonna eat with right here, and then I'll throw it down there too. My electronics will have to go in the sleeping bag too. Of course, my water filter always is. But I think it's about 10 minutes after 5. I'm gonna start trying to see if I can make something to eat. Maybe out this side right here looks the calmest. But it's cold. I think that'll be it for today. Cause I'm gonna have to, I got a mummy sleeping bag, and I'm gonna pull it up around my face so just my nose and my mouth stick out. That's just how cold it is.